Investing during a recession sounds terrifying, right? Markets are down, headlines are gloomy, and everyone's panicking. But here's the truth. Some of the best investment opportunities are during downturns, if you know what to do. Hey, I'm Sear, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to invest during a recession without losing your mind, money, or your sleep. And stick around to the end for a tip that most people overlook, but it can protect your portfolio and peace of mind. So when the economy slows down, consumer confidence drops, jobs are at risk, and the stock market usually takes a hit. It's no wonder people freeze or pull out completely. But here's the key. A recession is not the time to panic. It's the time to plan. Some of the greatest investors, Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, look for opportunities when everyone else is afraid. But let's start with what you shouldn't do first. So do not panic sell your investments. Do not try and time the bottom of the market. Don't chase high risk, get rich quick schemes, and don't ignore your budget and emergency fund. So it's easy to make emotional decisions, but emotional investing often leads to regret. Remember, downturns are temporary, but losses from bad decisions can last a lot longer. So what should you focus on instead? So number one, defensive stocks. So these are companies that provide essential products like healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples. People still buy toothpaste, electricity, and medicine in a recession. Number two, index funds and ETFs. So if you're not confident picking stocks, index funds spread your risk across hundreds of companies. Think of them as a safety net for long-term investors. And number three, dollar cost averaging. This means you invest a fixed amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. Over time, it smooths out the highs and lows, and it removes emotion from the equation. But recession investing isn't just about where to put your money, it's about being financially stable when doing it. So make sure you have an emergency fund. So aim for like 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a high interest saving account. You want to keep your debt low, especially high interest debt like credit cards, and don't over leverage. Avoid borrowing too much just to invest, as stability gives you the confidence to make smart moves and not desperate ones, as this is where most people go wrong. Investing in a recession takes patience and long-term thinking. You're not trying to beat the market in a month. You're planting seeds now that will grow over the next 5, 10, maybe even 20 years. Recessions don't last forever, but smart investors do. Keep your head when others lose theirs, and you'll come out on top. And here's that final tip I promised. Use a recession as a time to sharpen your financial knowledge. When markets are sort of flying up and down, you can get a very good insight to how the stock market works. Just learn from everything that's happening around you, learn what happens in a recession, and it will give you more knowledge as an investor. I'm also bringing out an investment guide on my Patreon. If you subscribe to that, you'll see that when it gets released soon. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.